This is Con Up 21130. Let's do this thing. Somebody get them saucy boys. Only $123, I think, is what I made them. I got some great autos, some great hits. Good rook. A little bit of everything. Here we go. James Conner, season ticket. Blue, winning ticket, Emmitt Smith, number 299. Dak Prescott, red. Legendary Contenders to 75, LeVar Arrington. And Rookie of the Year Contenders, blue, Deebo Samuel. Devontae Adams. So that'll be expired, but you'll get some nice points for that. All taken into consideration with the prices of teams. And that is Con Up 21130. The hunt for Mahomes continues.